Hey, Future Wealth Builders. This is Dr. Joaquin Wallace, host of the New Wealth Wave podcast and author of Generational Wealth Begins with Generational Knowledge. Have you picked up my book yet? It's an Amazon bestseller. We released it on June 27th, and within 30 days, it hit the Amazon bestseller list. It's a fantastic book that is broken down in 3 phases: the past, the present, and the future. And it is focused around my 7-stage generational wealth model. Each chapter in the book has a self-assessment where you can do your own personal self-inventory. During the book, you'll be able to discover your own personal financial genetic code. This book is a great conversation starter at home with your family and also for you as well. Make sure you pick up the book. The link is in the description. It's a fantastic book, and the reviews are outstanding as well. Generational wealth begins with generational knowledge. Looking forward to hearing your feedback. Take care, everyone.